Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to all of you on India-Afghanistan International Webinar organized by Envoy Excellency Magazine in collaboration with Embassy of Afghanistan, New Delhi, India. So first of all, thank you everyone for finding time and visiting today's webinar. My name is Deepti Tripathi and I'm journalist and consulting editor of Envoy Excellency Magazine. So let me give a quick brief about Envoy Excellency Magazine. Envoy Excellency Magazine is an international monthly magazine backed by DN Media Group. It specifically covers diplomatic community worldwide, foreign and national affairs. Envoy Excellency Magazine also covers politics, international affairs, culture, tourism, and medical tourism. The magazine is characterized by its high-quality analytical articles on events at national and international level. So today we are here at the platform to discuss how to boost India-Afghanistan relationship. So now, as we are aware about that today is a historic day, India and Afghanistan just signed MOU on Southwood Dam. So it's our great pleasure today. So further, it's our great pleasure and honor to introduce to our chief guest, His Excellency Mr. Tahir Kadri, Charge d'Affaires of Afghanistan to India. Welcome, His Excellency.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Deepti. Shall I?
Yes. So now I would like to introduce to our all panelists who are participating in this webinar. Let me introduce Dr. Prahlad Rai Sudani, President of IIHMR University, Jaipur. And second panelist is Dr. Sandeep Marwa, President of International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry. So welcome everyone. Now I'm not taking so much time because His Excellency also is in hurry. So I would like to invite His Excellency to share your words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Deepti ji, and a very good evening to everyone watching us here and to our distinguished guests, panelists, especially Marwa ji, which I haven't met him for some times now because he was one of the first people when I was assigned here in Delhi, I met him. Thank you so much to Envoy Excellency for the fantastic work that they have been doing for the diplomatic community, and in fact we have had really close relationship with them. In fact, let me show to the audience the fantastic work that Envoy Excellency does, and this is in fact quite recently we had a dedicated a magazine on Afghanistan today that we are launching. So I express my gratitude and the gratitude of my diplomats here in the embassy to the Envoy Excellency. As you rightly said, Deepti, that today is a very historic day for both India and Afghanistan. As we were just speaking a couple of minutes ago, India and Afghanistan signed a memorandum of understanding of the second largest India's project in Afghanistan, the Southwood Dam. So those people that they don't know what this project is about, this project will provide Kabul residents with more than 2 million people with drinkable and portable water, and of course irrigation for agriculture as well. People who watched the ceremony, the presence of His Excellency, our President Muhammad Ashraf Ghani, and the Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and Excellencies, our Foreign Minister and the Minister of External Affairs of India, it actually symbolized again the bond and the unity and the solidarity that the two nations have had through the thick and thin of time. As we have been going through a lot of developments back in Afghanistan these days, inauguration of such a project is again a hallmark of bond and friendship between India and Afghanistan. I think I would, I have a lot to talk about, the relationship, but I think this is one unique bond that has been, an organic and natural relationship throughout the history. As I have said before, no matter who has been at the helm of power in Kabul or here in Delhi, the relationship and the people-to-people contact has always been the same and natural. And the strategic partnership that Afghanistan signed with India, I think that is again a symbol of this relationship. Today, Afghanistan is being represented, in fact, by not only me here, not only by my diplomats, but India is home to thousands of Afghan students who study across India, and the scholarships that the Indian government give to Afghan students is again a sign of this friendship and this bond. And apart from that, many Afghans, you know, who stay here and choose India as their second home, is, I think, also that it speaks for itself. We have a lot actually today to cherish, starting from commerce, trade, to people contact, and our strategic partnership. Today, India is so close. It has always been close in our heart, but today it's so close in distance as well that it takes us only less than 2 hours to fly from Kabul, the Afghan capital, to Delhi, to the Indian capital. So that is the kind of, you know, distance that close that these two nations are. And as I said before, I don't want to, like, you know, talk too much. Perhaps, you know, there might be questions and our panelists might be speaking too, but I think today is a great moment for all of us to cherish and celebrate this fantastic moment that we have today. And it is a great opportunity and honor for all of us to be working towards the strengthening and further strengthening of this relationship and this brotherhood. So now over to you, Dipti.
Thank you, His Excellency. Thank you so much for enlightening us with your views and opinion. Now I would like to invite Professor P.R. Sudani, President of IIHMR University, Jaipur. So please, sir, please give your opinion on this topic.
Thank you for organizing this important webinar, His Excellency Tahir Qadir. And it's a great moment for all of us today, for India and Afghanistan community, to celebrate this day. It talks about our historical relationships between Afghanistan and India. India always intends to support and help to Afghanistan community as and when required. And I would like to say further that always the history is the evidence. As far as the sectors like education and health is concerned, we are always working very closely with the Afghanistan population. Here at this moment, I would also like to share that IIHMR University, working since 1984, more than 36 years in the health sector. And our purpose in the health sector is that to promote management practices in managing the hospitals and the healthcare sector. We do this through 3 major verticals: education, research, and executive education. If I recall our relationship with the Afghanistan, since last 30-35 years, we are very strongly working with Ministry of Public Health, Afghanistan. And I am delighted to share that many of our alumni passed out from IIHMR University. They are working at very senior leadership positions in Afghanistan Ministry of Health, Public Health. We are always working to strengthen the health systems of Afghanistan, and for that, we had implemented a very prestigious project in Afghanistan with support from Johns Hopkins University. Johns Hopkins University in USA and IIHMR University in Jaipur in India. We worked together for Afghanistan health sector. And more than 10 years, we were in Afghanistan to work with the ministry and the community. We succeed in the project. And then there are many other few important projects we have completed for Ministry of Public Health. Even I would like to share very important information with all of you that even the IIHMR contributed in establishing the first survey to estimate the IMR of Afghanistan, that is done by IIHMR University. There are many public health professionals, they used to come to IIHMR for their executive education. We have our flagship program in hospital management, health management, pharmaceutical management, as well as development management. Apart from this, we also run a very prestigious program with Johns Hopkins, which is a very prestigious program, MPH program, Masters of Public Health, a joint degree program with Johns Hopkins and IHMR University. Apart from these full-time programs, where we have seen the interest from Afghanistan, there is also a great participation from Afghanistan in our executive education courses. We have developed and designed particular programs for public health professionals from Afghanistan, like on leadership and strategic management, health sector reforms, economic evaluations, health economics and financing. So there are many programs which we have developed for Afghanistan professionals, and I am really glad to share that every year we receive a lot of requests from Ministry of Public Health for this particular type of programs. Our relations are being, day by day, it's being strengthened, since we have been engaged in educating the young and dynamic minds of Afghanistan. We have been involved in executive education with the Ministry of Public Health as well as with the non-governmental organizations in Afghanistan. We have been also involved in health systems research, which has been contributed enough and significantly to strengthen the Afghanistan's health system. At this moment, since the time is really a constraint, I would not go for a big list, but still I would have that there is a lot of scope, there is a lot of opportunities between Afghanistan and India to go further, to strengthen the health and education sector. And at IHMR, we feel proud to have this relationship with Afghanistan. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Sudhani. Thank you so much for your opinion. Now I would like to ask to our panelist, Mr. Sudhani, if you want to ask any question to His Excellency, so please carry on.
I have only one request, that if we can go further, since IHMR has been always working with Ministry of Public Health, so we would like to go further. There are executive MBA programs and there are many other programs. So I would request His Excellency on this platform to support us to maintain and strengthen this relationship in future also.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for your remarks. In fact, health sector is, one of those fields that we are very much interested in. And as you rightly said, we have had a lot of MOUs and agreements, across India. And I think that is one sector that we can still work on it to improve further. We will take a note of it, and definitely we will look into that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we are extremely thankful to IIHMR who are participated in the special edition on Afghanistan. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Let's celebrate this great moment, because this is a moment of celebration for all of us. And I congratulate you on your accomplishments for this great magazine that you have done and you have dedicated actually to Afghanistan. And when I look at the pictures, and I'm sure for those people that they don't know my country, I think it's quite interesting to understand the bilateral ties, the strategic partnership that we have, and the great interview actually you did with me at the beginning of this, and the fantastic pictures of many parts of Afghanistan, starting from the national park of Band Amir to Wakhan National Park, to Buddhas of Bamiyan, to the Great Mosque of Herat, and of course, many parts and touristic places in Afghanistan. So I congratulate you, Dipti Ji, on this achievement, and all your colleagues in Envoy Excellency. And I really look forward to working with you guys in the future as well, because such platforms will help us promote not only the India-Afghanistan relationship, but also improve the narratives that we have of both countries. Because for us, while we appreciate, the narratives which have remained here from the old time of Kabuliwala, as His Excellency our President said today and mentioned today, but what we I think such steps and approaches will help both countries is to come to a middle ground where, you know, they can have a better understanding of their cultures, the geopolitical, you know, relationship and situation of the countries. And I think, you know, we can come closer through such kind of contributions. And I really look forward to working with you guys. And once again, I congratulate you on your accomplishments.
Thank you, His Excellency. Thank you so much for releasing this special collectible edition on Afghanistan. So we are delighted and extremely honored to work with Afghanistan Embassy since years. So we believe this association will be carried forward in upcoming years also. I extend my thanks to Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. Tahir Qadri, to take out his time from his busy schedule to grace the event. And thank you so much, sir, for inspiring and encouraging us with your words on this special day. A special thanks to our panelist, Mr. Sudhani. Thank you so much for providing your support on this webinar to make this webinar successful. So now I just say this word that enduring bond of the two nations is an effort and determination of the people of both the countries. May the friendship between India and Afghanistan last forever. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for all your.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you
Dipti
so
ji.
much.
Thank you. And congratulations again.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Sudhani.
Thank you.